Hey folks, thanks for doing it back in. It's Dwight Cole here at St.Albert Dodge, showcasing our gorgeous 2019 Grand Cherokee Limited X. Fully loaded, it's got the Sport Performance hood here, beautiful bright LED lights, fog lights. It's got one of the most aggressive front ends out of the Grand Cherokee line, blacked out grille. Super clean vehicle, only 50,000 kilometers on this vehicle. Basically brand new rims and tires, very clean look. It's got all the blacked out badging and windows, mirrors. Have a look inside this vehicle. It's super clean. It's got memory seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated mirrors, select terrain, panoramic sunroof, park assist, parking sensors, you name it, you want it, this thing's got it. Full digital center console as well. Have a look in the back, tons of room. You got your air conditioning controls here, you got our center console, lots of cup holders in the doors and in the middle here. As we walk around the back, it does have capless gas cap as well. We got all of our sensors around here, dual exhaust, absolutely gorgeous. Automatic tailgate as well, which is really nice. Tons of space here in the back. We've got a built-in subwoofer. Seats go down so that they're flush if you're hauling anything around. Tons to go over with this one. If you want to know more, give me a call. That's Dwight Cole at 780-288-5764. Thank you.